Hello, fellow translators. Just a very quick announcement. The AI prompt code for translators will be available January 21st. That's Tuesday, January 21st. It finally will be available. It is available for pre-order down below, but I just wanted to let everyone know we have a launch date now. It'll be January 21st. I'm actually uploading some excerpts in case you want to look at them. You can see one right here. I've uploading the uncertainty table, the certainty assessment. I don't know why it's coming out so blurry there, but anyway. But I'm doing that for members only, and I'm going to be doing, I think a lot of this AI discussion, I'm going to be doing it for members only here on the YouTube channel, just because anytime I post it, anything about AI, I get a lot of kind of nasty comments. I delete most of them, but it's still a pain. And I get it. A lot of you, you don't like AI, you don't want to deal with it. But I still want to forge ahead with this because I do think it's useful stuff and I do want to share it. So I'm just going to do that in the members section. I think that's going to be more interesting, and then hopefully we can, sort of share stuff back and forth and compare notes. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know that regardless, on January 21st, all of you will be able to access and sign up for the course. You can already pre-order. Some of you already have. But it will be finally available for viewing January 21st. I'm just happy we finally have a date. And so yeah, stay tuned then. I'll talk to you later. Savedum.
Hello, fellow translators. Are you feeling left out with everything going on around AI and AI in translation? Well, I'm here to tell you, you should not let AI intimidate you. In fact, you should let it empower you. You can turn AI into your ally. The fact is, AI is here to stay, and if you're a translator, you're probably well aware of this. However, it won't steal your job. AI is just a tool. So what you should fear is not AI, but the translators who actually know how to use AI properly. It's important to get ahead of the curve and to understand how all of this works. That way you can take advantage of its benefits, but also know how to avoid its pitfalls. In this cutting-edge course, you'll discover how AI differs from traditional machine translation. And we're going to go through some techniques for pre-editing, post-editing, glossary creation, etc. We'll look at ways to leverage AI for internet research and terminology validation. And we'll also look into how to have AI verify its own translation and improve upon it. In addition, we'll be looking at strategies to overcome AI pitfalls like confidentiality issues and hallucinations, etc., etc. As a professional translator with almost 2 decades of experience, I've been through pretty much every iteration of MT, machine translation, and AI, artificial intelligence, at least with regards to translation. And what I've been able to do is develop custom AI prompts that streamline workflows and boost productivity. I use these prompts for my agency, and I also work with translators to create customized AI prompts for them that they can use. So come along on this course, where we're going to start from scratch and explore what AI can do for translators. In the process, I share the prompt code that I use for translations, and I show you how to tweak it and make it customizable so you can have a personalized prompt code for your own needs. So future-proof your translation career and click the button below to get started.